welcome back to applelnsider. Today, we're taking a nostalgic yet modern look at something truly iconic, the Nokia 1100 4G. That's right, the legendary phone that once ruled the early 2000s has been reimagined for the modern era, keeping its old-school charm but adding a sprinkle of new-age technology. Whether you were once a proud owner of the original Nokia 1100 or you're just hearing about it for the first time, this 4G remake promises to bring simplicity back into a world full of complex smartphones. Let's dive deep into what makes this little device so special and whether it's worth picking up in 2025. Number 1. Design and build quality. When it comes to design, Nokia has stayed true to its roots. The 1100 4G looks familiar, with that classic candy bar silhouette that fits snugly in your palm and slips easily into any pocket. It's compact, lightweight, and incredibly durable, exactly what you'd expect from a Nokia. The outer shell is built from a matte finish polycarbonate material that resists fingerprints and scratches, and you can literally feel its toughness the moment you pick it up. It brings back that old-school tactile keypad with large, well-spaced buttons that give satisfying clicks. For anyone tired of touch screens or constantly wiping smudges, this is a refreshing change. Even though it's basic, the 1100 4G feels premium for its category, with excellent attention to detail. The seams are tight, the buttons are responsive, and it carries that unmistakable built-like-a-tank vibe Nokia is known for. This is the kind of phone you can drop, pick up, and keep using without a single worry. It's available in fun, nostalgic color options that pay tribute to the past but still look stylish today. The design is both practical and sentimental, offering a piece of tech history with a modern touch. Number 2. The display. The Nokia 1100 4G comes with a compact 1.8-inch TFT screen. Now, it's not going to wow you with pixels or HDR brightness, but it serves its purpose perfectly. The display is crisp enough for reading messages, checking call logs, and navigating simple menus. Nokia has optimized the font and contrast to make everything readable, even under bright sunlight, which is something many budget phones still struggle with. What's impressive is the level of clarity you get despite the small size. The backlight is even, and viewing angles are decent for what it is. The screen has a slightly curved protective layer that adds to durability and prevents scratches from keys or coins if you toss it in your pocket. It might sound old-fashioned, but there's a comfort in using such a simple display. No eye strain, no distractions, just pure functionality. It's a reminder that not every phone needs a 120Hz AMOLED panel to be useful. The 1100 4G's display is exactly what it should be: minimal, efficient, and clear enough to keep you connected without the clutter of apps and notifications. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood.